Hello all, this is Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch for Slammer, and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. Just kidding. Today we are gonna see how can we make a YouTube thumbnail for free without Photoshop. So now let's get right into the video. So first, go to the link in the description and search https www.canva.com. After that, make an account. After you make an account, click on create design. Okay, next just scroll down and choose YouTube thumbnail. Click on that. You can make whatever you want in Canva, so yeah, it's fully free. Okay, nice. Next, let's choose a template. There's tons of templates you can choose. Some of them are free, some of them are not free. If you hover on them, it will tell free. If we click on one of the non-free ones, it will give you a watermark in the backdrop, so we don't want that. So yeah, let's just choose one of the free ones. I'm gonna choose this one. This, if you remember, this same template I used for my what is that video? I forgot that video. How to make a coin collecting game in Scratch. That video I used this same template. Yeah, so just delete that. I'm gonna, for example purposes, I'm gonna make this video's thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna move this here, move this over here. Okay, nice. And drag this over here. Okay, you can choose whatever template you want. Okay, next, what I'm gonna do, open a new tab and search YouTube thumbnail making. And after that, I'm gonna actually go on images and choose one of these images. YouTube thumbnail designer. Okay, wait. I'm searching an image. Okay. What should I choose? There's tons of images on the web, so I cannot choose one. No. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one because there's no other option, and click on save image as. Right click it and click on save image as. Okay, and it will, you need to save it somewhere. Where should I share this? Downloads. I think I'm gonna save it in downloads. Okay. Okay, nice. And let's go back to Canva. Okay. Next, click on uploads. After that, click on upload media. Okay, now click on whatever you want: Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, whatever, but I'm gonna upload it from my computer. So click on device, okay, this one. Okay, now click on this, and I'm gonna resize it a little bit. Okay. Yep. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, nice. Next, what I'm gonna do is just change the logo. I'm gonna just delete this and upload my own logo. I actually use this website for all of my video thumbnails because it's a simple and it will give you a lot of templates. You can use it for free. But if you need more templates, you need to just try Canva Pro. If you want to get it for free, you can get a 30 days free trial. Okay. Next, I'm gonna just type in some text called how to make a YouTube thumbnail for free and easy. Okay, nice. Next, I'm just gonna resize it and change the font color a little bit and the arrangement. You can also choose different font styles, but some of them will ask you ask you to try Canva Pro. Yeah, but most of them are fully free. So I'm just going to choose one of these colors. Okay, I'm gonna choose, I think, let's see. Oh, nice, it's looking perfect. Next, let's just this is actually tutorial 1 of the series. I made a new series called YouTube channel beginners guide. So yeah, so this is tutorial 1, 2, okay. Next I'm just gonna change the color of that and choose blue because that is my favorite color, and copy and paste it. But in this website you cannot just right click it and click on copy, and if you want you need to paste. Yes, it will not allow you to paste it with right clicking. So yeah, so that's why you need to use Ctrl V and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and Ctrl X to cut. Okay, yeah, nice. Now we are finished with the thumbnail. So now wait and shrink it a little bit more. Okay, now we want to export it. For that, click download. After that, choose a file type, but PNG is the high quality image. So yeah, I'm gonna choose PNG. And if you want to get a transparent backdrop, you need to buy Canva Pro, and compress file lower quality, you need to buy Canva Pro, sorry. And now click on download. Okay, now 1 second. Okay, I'm just gonna use this. Okay, now click on OK. I'm using Firefox, so it will ask that, but if you are using Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome or some other browser, it will not ask that. Now let's view it. I'm gonna click on this and click on open file. It will open the file. Let's wait. Okay, it's opening the file now. And I will just pause it and I will show you the end product. Yes, so yeah, so that's how you can make a thumbnail for free without Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, I'm Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. If you have any doubts, please comment down below or go to my Scratch profile. Links are in the description. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.